Place on safe and ensure the shotgun is unloaded. Depress the action lock lever and slide the action all the way back. Then slide the action forward until the bolt is halfway in the ejection port. Unscrew the magazine cap, turning it counterclockwise. Keep the magazine spring from flying out. Slide the barrel out of the receiver, rocking it rotationally to remove if necessary. On the ejection port side, take a pin punch and remove the trigger housing retaining pin. Remove the trigger housing and assembly by lifting it out from the rear. On the ejection port side, remove the cartridge interrupter. On the other receiver side, remove the cartridge stop. Move the bolt and bolt slide assembly 3/4 of the way rearward. Fine align the bolt slide with the receiver cutout on each side. Lift out the bolt slide up through the receiver cutout from the rear. Slide the forearm and action slide arms assembly from the receiver and barrel. With the elevator raised off the bolt, push the bolt out of the front of the receiver. Press in on the elevator arms, disengaging it from the receiver and lift it out. Slide the magazine follower out of the magazine tube. Prior to disassembling or assembling your Mossberg 590, consult the owner's manual for safety and advisory information to prevent damage to you or your gun.